Hey, it's Sydney and welcome back to my summer trend guide. So in this series, I break down the hottest trends of the season and show you easy outfit ideas to wear at home. So make sure to subscribe if you don't already. And this week, we're talking about denim skirts. Denim skirts are a great alternative to jeans or jean shorts as we go from spring into summer. So there's a few new styles that I want to show you guys, starting with the chambray skirt. The reason I especially love chambray skirts for summer is because it's a really lightweight material, which makes it perfect for a hot summer day. I went with a longer skirt. It's a midi and it has a little bit of an A-line shape, so it's very flattering for different body types. And you can even wear it to work on a casual Friday. So to make it more office appropriate, I paired it with a polo shirt. You'll notice the little ruffle detailing if you go back to my spring trend guide on ruffles. Ruffles are big for the season. And then on bottom, I did a striped wedge, but you could also do a pump if you have a more conservative workplace. Heading into the weekend, I just paired the chambray skirt with a simple tee and flat sandals. So this is a great way to go run errands but still look chic while staying comfortable. Another denim skirt trend I'm loving this season is the colorful denim skirt. I went with a more muted color with this olive army green shade because neutrals really go with everything. So one way I like to wear it is monochromatic, which means wearing the same color from head to toe. So I matched my skirt with an olive top. You'll notice there's a little bit of a floral embellishment. And then on bottom, I just did a nude bootie to lengthen my legs. You could also do a nude sandal depending on the climate for where you are. Now, just to show that army green or olive really does go with everything, I brought back my bold florals from last season with this bright orange top. So since there is some green elements, it works really well with the denim skirt, and then I just used a little wedge to lengthen my legs. Speaking of florals, another denim skirt trend is floral denim skirts. So embroidered florals are a really big trend, both on denim skirts, denim shorts, and denim jeans. But since we're talking about skirts in this episode, I chose a floral denim skirt. Now, two different ways to wear it. One is more dressed up, so I just did a black ruffle cami. Again, ruffles big for the season if you haven't seen that episode. And then just a red ruffle slide. I guess I am not over the ruffles trend. I'm still super into it for summer. A floral denim skirt also makes it really easy to pair denim on denim. So I just did a denim shirt, tucked it in, and even denim shoes on bottom. Those are just 3 styles of denim skirts that I'm personally loving right now, but there's a lot more styles and we've actually covered them before. So you can always check out my denim skirt video that we've done in past trend guide episodes for more ideas on how to wear denim skirts. And I'd love to see how you guys are wearing a denim skirts at home. So throughout the series, we use the hashtag #SSTrendGuide. So upload a photo wearing a denim skirt or any of the trends that we've been covering for spring and summer, and just tag SS Trend Guide and me at Sydney Summer, and I've been giving my favorite trend girls of the week a shout out on my Insta story. So make sure to follow me there to see if you got a shout out and to enter my weekly giveaways. So I love doing this series for you, and if you have any questions at all, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe because I'll be back next Thursday. Bye guys. So I hope my words come out. Hungry. Those are just 3.